It's recording.
Primo, Tony Neer signature sprocket. Got some stock cranks from the Fit Str2. Some Odyssey twisted PC pedals. Got the Haro back rim. Holding up pretty good. It's pretty cheap. Odyssey Path back tire. Odyssey Dirt Path P-Light front tire. Got some fucking old school Haro forks. Needed some, you know. Got the S&M slam bars. Cut them like about an inch. Got some fucking grips that I took from Walmart. Got the old school animal stem. Got what is it? Alienation PBR front rim.
Yeah.
Just some chain I found. Got the Spit ECC, the one that they got sued for. Chanel sign. Pretty much it. Got some shuttle bar ends. Greg Davis.